Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification for more updates and news on our channel. And thanks for watching. Chapter 2. The Profile. First part, the username.
Your username is extremely important because it is the first thing the user sees when you like or comment on a picture of them. Your username should be highly professional, so make sure the username is as short and simple as possible. Use no more than 3 words and separate the individual words with a dot or underline. Also, the name should already describe your profile, for example what you are doing. And don't use a mix of numbers and letters, so don't use your date of birth. A good example is alex.photographer. Here you can see exactly what Alex is doing. He's a photographer. Another good example is photographer_Alex. A bad example is Alex the photographer, separated without dot or underscore. Until you find out what this is all about, the user has already clicked further. And as said above, don't use a mix of numbers and letters. So another bad example is photoalex1392. This looks highly unprofessional.
Part 2. The Profile Description.
Even more important than the username is the profile description. The profile description is the reason that 70% of the users clicks on follow. A user wants to know what he can expect if he follows you. Just imagine, you look at a photo on Instagram, you like the picture and you go to the account. Do you see now an interesting profile description? You click much rather on follow, right? So you have 150 characters available, and with these 150 characters, you have to convince the readers of your biography. Describe at best what contents you have and add a call to action. A call to action is simply a call to action to the visitor. So write something like, click on follow and see the most beautiful landscapes of the world every day. As stupid as it sounds, but many people click only on follow if they read it because they just don't think about it before. Here I have a great example for you. I'm Max, a passionate landscape photographer from Germany. Follow me for the most beautiful landscapes pictures from all over Germany. So he explains there that he is Max, a landscape photographer, and down there he has the call to action. Follow me for the most beautiful landscapes from all over Germany. Down below you see a bad example. Yes, you see yourself, no one knows what he's doing, it's just bad. I think you can see yourself. Who would you rather follow? Max the landscape photographer, who took his profile description really nice designed, or the other one, the lower one, where he doesn't really know what he's doing?
Part 3. The Profile Picture.
You can do too much wrong with your profile picture. The biggest mistake you can make is not having a picture. Use a profile picture and the picture should best show you or your work. Here in the lower left corner is a photographer who has taken a picture of himself. And here on the right is a profile without a profile picture. That's just look really unprofessional. Never do that.
Part 4. Important Settings.
Then there are 2 more settings you need to check. One is here at Settings, Privacy and Security, Account Privacy. Here you have the possibility to change your account to a private account, but then people who do not follow you cannot view your pictures. You should leave it out in any case, like it's here. The second setting option is under Settings, Account. At the bottom you have the possibility to convert your account to a business profile. I do not recommend this as Instagram will reduce your reach. Instagram will think that you are a business profile and you have money for advertising campaigns. They will then reduce your reach and hope that you will spend money on advertising to push your own posts. So I would definitely recommend you not to turn your profile into a business profile.
See you on next chapter.